Wait, are you staring at dark spots and fine lines in the mirror every morning, wondering if anything actually works? Today, I am going to give you the honest science behind one of the most underrated oils in dermatology. I am Dr. Sandra Lee. Subscribe now and let us get your skin the results it deserves. Rosehip oil is a natural oil extracted from the seeds of the plant Rosa canina, a wild rose species commonly found in parts of Europe and South America. Dermatologists pay attention to this oil because its composition is unusually rich in biologically active fatty acids and natural vitamin A derivatives that interact directly with the skin barrier. You may also hear the term rosehip seed oil, and in practical dermatology, these two names refer to the same product because the oil always comes from the seed rather than the flower petals. Many people assume rosehip oil smells like roses, but it does not because fragrance compounds exist in the petals while the oil comes from the seed kernel. The oil is typically cold pressed from crushed seeds, which allows delicate nutrients such as essential fatty acids, carotenoids, and natural retinoid compounds to remain intact. Chemically, the oil contains linoleic acid, alpha-linolenic acid, small amounts of trans-retinoic acid, vitamin C derivatives, and beta-carotene. Cold-pressed extraction matters because heat processing can degrade these molecules and reduce biological activity. Compared with many cosmetic oils that function mainly as surface moisturizers, rosehip oil contains compounds that interact with cellular pathways involved in pigmentation and collagen maintenance. Dark spots on the skin develop when melanocytes produce excess melanin in response to triggers such as ultraviolet radiation, inflammation from acne, or hormonal signaling. This process is called hyperpigmentation, and it often appears as uneven brown patches after the skin heals from injury or sun exposure. Rosehip oil contains naturally occurring trans-retinoic acid derivatives that can influence keratinocyte turnover and gradually normalize the distribution of melanin within the epidermis. Increased cell turnover allows pigmented cells to move upward through the skin layers and shed more efficiently through natural exfoliation. The oil also contains vitamin C-related compounds that help reduce melanin formation by interfering with the activity of the enzyme tyrosinase, which is required for melanin synthesis. When tyrosinase activity decreases, fewer pigment molecules form inside melanocytes, leading to a gradual fading of dark spots. Several dermatology studies evaluating topical rosehip seed oil have shown measurable improvement in post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone after consistent application. The improvement does not occur immediately because skin cells require time to renew and replace older pigmented layers. Most clinical observations show visible changes developing between 6 and 12 weeks of consistent nightly use. Compared with prescription retinoids, the natural retinoid content in rosehip oil is milder, which means the oil can improve pigmentation while producing less irritation for people with sensitive skin. Wrinkles form through several overlapping biological processes, including collagen breakdown, oxidative stress, and gradual loss of moisture in the outer skin barrier. Rosehip oil addresses some of these mechanisms because it contains a high concentration of linoleic acid, a fatty acid that helps restore the structure of the stratum corneum. When the lipid barrier becomes stronger, the skin retains water more effectively and appears smoother and more flexible. The oil also contains small amounts of naturally occurring trans-retinoic acid derivatives that stimulate fibroblast activity inside the dermis. Fibroblasts are the cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin, two structural proteins that maintain skin firmness. When these cells receive mild retinoid signaling, they increase synthesis of collagen fibers that reinforce the skin matrix over time. Rosehip oil also contains beta-carotene, which the skin can convert into vitamin A compounds that function as antioxidants. Antioxidants neutralize reactive oxygen species created by ultraviolet radiation and pollution, both of which accelerate collagen degradation. Some wrinkles develop primarily because skin becomes dehydrated and loses elasticity rather than from repeated muscle movement. By reinforcing the lipid barrier and improving moisture retention, rosehip oil can soften these moisture-related lines and make them less visible. Clinical observations also show that rosehip oil may improve the appearance of surgical scars and acne scars by supporting tissue repair and collagen remodeling. Dermatologists emphasize that improvement in wrinkles means gradual softening and smoothing rather than complete removal of established expression lines. Rosehip oil is generally well suited for individuals with dry skin, combination skin, uneven pigmentation, or early signs of aging because these skin types benefit from additional lipid support and antioxidant protection. People with mature skin often notice improved softness because the oil reinforces the natural barrier that becomes thinner with age. Individuals with oily or acne-prone skin can still use rosehip oil, but they should perform a patch test first to confirm that their pores tolerate it well. The oil has a comedogenic rating of approximately 1 on a scale of 0 to 5, meaning it has a very low likelihood of clogging pores for most users. This rating exists because the high linoleic acid content actually resembles the fatty acid profile of healthy skin sebum. However, people who currently have inflamed acne cysts or open lesions should avoid applying oils directly on those areas because occlusion may trap bacteria and delay healing. Individuals with active rosacea should also be cautious because any topical oil can potentially increase warmth or redness in sensitive skin. People who have allergies to plants in the rose family should avoid using rosehip oil entirely. During pregnancy, the oil is generally considered low risk when used topically, but dermatologists still recommend discussing new skincare ingredients with a physician for personal medical guidance. Selecting a high-quality rosehip oil product is important because the effectiveness of the oil depends on preserving its natural compounds. The label should clearly state that the oil is cold-pressed and unrefined, which indicates that it was extracted without high heat or chemical solvents that could destroy delicate fatty acids and carotenoids. Packaging also plays a role in protecting the oil because light exposure accelerates oxidation and degrades vitamin content. For this reason, reputable manufacturers place rosehip oil in dark amber or opaque glass bottles that limit ultraviolet exposure. When you examine the oil itself, the color should appear golden to deep amber rather than clear or pale yellow. A very light color may suggest excessive refining or dilution with other oils. Like many plant oils rich in unsaturated fatty acids, rosehip oil is susceptible to oxidation when exposed to oxygen and heat. After opening the bottle, the typical shelf life is around 6 months if stored in a cool, dark location. Some cosmetic products combine rosehip oil with additional ingredients such as antioxidants or botanical extracts, which can be helpful if the formulation remains stable. However, formulas containing added fragrance, alcohol, or mineral oil may irritate sensitive skin or dilute the beneficial concentration of rosehip oil. In a daily skincare routine, rosehip oil should be applied to clean skin after water-based treatments, such as hydrating serums, and before or immediately after moisturizer, depending on personal preference. Because facial oils help seal moisture into the skin, applying them toward the end of a routine usually provides the best barrier support. Many dermatologists recommend using rosehip oil primarily in the evening because sunlight can accelerate the breakdown of certain natural compounds within the oil. Nighttime use allows the skin to absorb the nutrients without ultraviolet interference while the skin undergoes its natural overnight repair cycle. Only a small amount of oil is necessary because the fatty acid content spreads easily across the skin surface. 3 to 4 drops are typically enough to cover the entire face without leaving a heavy residue. The most effective technique is to place the drops between the fingertips and gently press the oil into the skin rather than rubbing vigorously. Pressing allows the oil to distribute evenly while minimizing unnecessary friction on delicate facial tissue. Some people prefer to mix 1 or 2 drops of rosehip oil into their moisturizer to create a lighter texture. Visible improvements depend on the skin concern being treated, but most individuals begin noticing gradual changes in texture and brightness after several weeks of consistent use. Morning application is also possible, but sunscreen must always follow because ultraviolet exposure stimulates the pigment pathways that cause dark spots. Rosehip oil can work effectively with several other skincare ingredients when they are layered correctly within a routine. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is commonly paired with rosehip oil because it helps regulate melanin transfer from melanocytes to surrounding skin cells. When melanin transfer decreases, Dark patches gradually appear lighter and more uniform. A vitamin C serum applied before rosehip oil can enhance overall brightening because vitamin C blocks tyrosinase activity and also supports collagen synthesis. In this layering sequence, the vitamin C serum absorbs first because it is water-based, and the rosehip oil follows to seal hydration into the skin barrier. Some people ask whether rosehip oil should replace retinol products, but the two ingredients serve different purposes because prescription or cosmetic retinol formulas provide stronger retinoid activity. Rosehip oil can still be used in the same routine as retinol, although many dermatologists recommend applying them on alternate nights if the skin becomes irritated. Sun protection remains essential when treating hyperpigmentation because ultraviolet radiation triggers melanocyte activity and reverses progress made by brightening ingredients. Broad-spectrum sunscreen blocks the wavelengths of light that stimulate melanin production and helps maintain results. Strong alpha hydroxy acid exfoliants should not be used on the same evening as rosehip oil if the skin already feels sensitive, because combining multiple active treatments may disrupt the barrier and increase irritation. Several common mistakes prevent people from seeing the benefits that rosehip oil can provide for pigmentation and skin texture. One frequent problem occurs when individuals purchase highly refined or diluted oil products that contain very little of the active fatty acids and carotenoids responsible for biological activity. When those compounds are missing, the oil behaves only as a basic moisturizer rather than a treatment that influences pigmentation pathways. Another mistake involves applying excessive amounts of oil in an attempt to accelerate results. The skin can absorb only a limited quantity of lipids at one time, so excess oil remains on the surface and may mix with environmental debris that settles on the skin throughout the day. Skipping sunscreen during daylight hours is another major error when treating hyperpigmentation. Ultraviolet radiation stimulates melanocytes to produce additional pigment, which can darken existing spots even while topical treatments attempt to lighten them. People also frequently expect visible improvement within 1 or 2 weeks of starting a new skincare ingredient. The outer epidermal layer renews itself approximately every 28 days in young adults and often more slowly in mature skin. Because pigmentation fades gradually as new cells replace older pigmented ones, consistent use over several skin cycles is required before clear improvement becomes visible. Rosehip oil works primarily because its fatty acids strengthen the skin barrier, while its natural retinoid and antioxidant compounds influence collagen maintenance and pigment pathways. When used consistently in a stable formulation and combined with daily sun protection, dermatology research shows gradual improvement in uneven pigmentation and early signs of skin aging. Most individuals begin noticing measurable changes in tone and texture between 8 and 12 weeks as the skin completes multiple renewal cycles. If you are watching this video right now, tell me in the comments which concern brought you here today: dark spots or wrinkles. Share this video with someone who is struggling with hyperpigmentation so they can understand the science before trying new products. Subscribe to this channel for clear dermatology explanations that help you build a routine based on real evidence. I am Dr. Sandra Lee, your skin specialist. Take care of your skin tonight, and I will see you in the next video.